In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this effect in one simple step using Higgsfield AI. Let's get into it. So first head over to Higgsfield AI. There's going to be a link in the description for that. And here you want to head over to mixed media. Then in this list you have the noir effect. On the left side, you can upload your own video. Now be careful when you're uploading your video to make sure it's not exceeding 50 megabytes and that it's horizontal. So let's try again by uploading a compressed version of that video that doesn't exceed that size. In this window you can select the section of your video that you want to edit. You can also play to see a preview, and once you're happy with that, you can click Save. On the left side, you have two settings available that let you choose the frame rate and resolution. You can even introduce a value manually. And here for the resolution, you have 1, 2, and 4K. And finally, click Generate, wait for it to process, and once that's ready, click on the video to preview the result. You can download the video using this button here. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Visit the Creative Society website for more design resources and music. If you want to continue learning, check out this other video on the screen. Thank you, and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.